What is up, you guys? It is your girl Kiana Talented, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these Senegalese, these twists. We just gonna call them twists. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve these twists by myself, and only spent $10, and it only took me 6 hours. Okay, 6 hours. And for me, that's really good, because I'm a perfectionist and everything needs to be perfect, and it needs to look like I got my hair done in the shop, you feel me? And it do, if I do say so myself. Y'all see that? But no, seriously, I freaking love this hairstyle on me. It's super duper cute, super duper lightweight, and it's so freaking pretty. Let me do a 360 for y'all. Oh, I'm a little dizzy. But yeah, so that's what my hair is looking like. Other than that, I did this hairstyle by myself, and I'm gonna break it down in detail for y'all, so people who want to do these themselves could achieve this style just like I did by myself. And yeah, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So to achieve this style, I started out with freshly washed and blow-dried hair. I'll have all the products linked down below, but here I am just showing you guys what you'll need, which is braiding hair, shine and gem, like gel, there you go, shine and gem gel, and I'm using this All-C 7-in-1 moisture, like leave-in moisturizer, just to add some shine and condition my hair just a little bit while I'm about to achieve this style. So I put my hair in a ponytail. It was a loose ponytail just to help with parting, so then that way I could be able to use both of my hands so I could see. So you guys, I do have a mirror in front of me, and then I have a mirror in the back of me, and that is how I was able to part my hair by myself. So especially if you don't have any help. And jumping ahead, I have done, I think I want to say about 2 rows prior to this little clip. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys in a second a little bit better on what I'm doing. So I'm pretty much just braiding right here, and then you just twist. So I like it. So how I achieved mine was I braided the root about 4 times, and then I started to twist. That way it just lasts a lot longer, and it was just way easier to do. Okay, so here is where I show you guys what I'm doing. So yeah, I was right. I did about 2 rows. So boom, we are going to take this hair and split it into a little section. Then you're going to split that hair into 2 and cross it over so you have the letter T. So I'm going to show you guys one more time. So 2 pieces, cross it over, you have the letter T. Then as far as holding the hair, I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I don't really think I can explain it. So yeah, I'm just gonna show this part like 2 times in slow-mo so you guys can kind of see what I was doing. So yeah. So I definitely hope you guys were able to see how I attached the braiding hair to my real hair. I tried my best to, get good footage for you guys, but yeah, I just take the shine and jam and I put some on my hair and the braiding hair, and it just helps with making the twist look a lot better, and not having those poke, your real hair poke out of the twist. And then to finish off the twist, just twist all the way down to the bottom until you can't twist anymore. What's up, you guys? I'm at the halfway point of my head, and I just wanted to come and show you guys what it's looking like. I'm excuse me, I'm super tired. It's what time is it? it is 3:05 in the morning and I'm still up doing my hair. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to start working on a perimeter, so then that way like I can go to sleep if like I don't finish all of it. But and I wanted to come on camera too, because I'm gonna show you guys a few in the front. And also keep saying and also I'm switching over to the different color hair. So is this gonna go? What do y'all think? I'm gonna still put it in anyways, but I'm switching over to the different color hair. And yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what the back is looking like so far. So let me just turn around. Can y'all see? I feel like if you are a beginner and you want to achieve this hairstyle, definitely braiding the roots first and then going into a twist is going to be the easiest way to achieve this hairstyle. And yeah, I'm just twisting this braid down now all the way until the end. Like I mentioned earlier, twist until you can't twist anymore, and just use the shine and jam along the way of you twisting. That way everything, you know, your hair blends with the braiding hair, and everything just looks nice, neat. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this hairstyle. Definitely you guys keep on watching until the end. So to help seal the ends of my hair so that my twists do not unravel, I dunked my hair in hot water. So I just boiled some hot water on the stove top and I put it in this bin. And yeah, here we are. I just let my hair sit and then I just wrung it out with a towel. And boom, bada bang, you got some cute twists, girl. I look good. Yes, Key. Yes, I did that, y'all. And now to make my hair look even more poppin', I am taking these little gold clips and I'm just placing a few on my hair. I have a little piece of my hair sticking out. An easy fix to that is to just take a clip and boom, clip it on that hair, and nobody will ever know that your hair was sticking out. Yes, girl, because I was not about to take this twist down. So this is what my hair turned out to be, you guys. Like, I love this. Like, this is so freaking cute on me. Like, it's a vibe. Like, it's so long the way I like it, and it's just perfect. But I definitely hope you guys enjoyed. Ooh, girl, what? I definitely hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more hair videos from your girl, more makeup videos from your girl, more shopping hauls from your girl, more vlogs from your girl, definitely subscribe turn on your post notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and share it, and you know, continue supporting your girl. And that is it for today. I will see you guys in my next video.